How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can turn off TeamSpeak user joined your channel. So if you want to go ahead and basically turn off the announcer, it's extremely simple. First things first, you want to head over to the TeamSpeak application, and from here you want to click on the gear icon. Now it's going to be right beside your username, so just click on it. In here, it's going to be inside the application settings. Click on notifications, and basically inside we could see the notifications that we will be receiving on different options. So basically in here we could just navigate through something like the channel switching. So in here you have something like you move to another channel, someone moved to your channel, and someone move out of your channel. And if you want to go ahead and turn this notification off, you can just click on the disable button right beside it, and from there this will completely disable all of the notifications that you will be getting from TeamSpeak. So in my own personal preference, I actually don't want any of this notifications to be turned on, so I just love to turn them all off, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.